Nnamdi Kanu demands trial transfer to Southeast. The detained leader of the Indigenous People of Biafra, IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, has requested that his trial be transferred to the Southeast if no judge at the Federal High Court in Abuja is willing to preside over the case apart from Justice Binta Nyako. Welcome to Naija Anchor News. Today we bring you the most recent updates surrounding Nnamdi Kanu's legal battle and his call for fair judicial process. Kanu's demand was outlined in a statement on Wednesday, 22nd January 2025 by his lead counsel, Aloy Ejimakor, following a routine meeting with Kanu at the Department of State Service (DSS) facility in Abuja. The request comes after Justice Nyako recused herself from the case on September 24, 2024, due to Kanu's expressed lack of confidence in her handling of the trial. However, the case was later reassigned to her by the Chief Judge of the Federal High Court, Justice John Tsoho, for continuation. Kanu has strongly opposed Justice Nyako's return to the case, arguing that it undermines judicial integrity. According to Ejimakor, Kanu has instructed his legal team to ensure that Justice Nyako does not preside over his trial. The central issue arising at today's visitation is the upcoming date for the continuation of Nnamdi Kanu's case. Due to its constitutional implication, Kanu instructed the legal team to take certain prompt steps to ensure that his case is not handled by the same Justice Binta Nyako, who had withdrawn from the case by virtue of the order of recusal entered on the 24th of September 2024, Ejimakor stated. Kanu's legal team further emphasized the importance of appointing a new judge and suggested moving the trial to a federal high court in the southeast, where the alleged offenses were said to have occurred. If no other judge in Abuja is willing to handle the case, the chief judge is free to transfer the case to Umuahia, Awka, Enugu, Asaba, Port Harcourt, or any other federal high court within the former eastern Nigeria, where the alleged offenses were said to have occurred or had their impact, the statement reads. Nnamdi Kanu's demand for a trial transfer to Southeast raises important questions about judicial fairness and regional equity in Nigeria's legal system. While his concerns about bias may be valid, moving the trial could also set a precedent for regionalizing high-profile cases, which might complicate the judicial operation. The key issue should be ensuring a transparent and impartial trial, regardless of location. If the judiciary wants to maintain public trust, it must address these concerns objectively while upholding the rule of law. As the legal proceedings unfold, questions remain regarding whether Kanu's request will be granted and how the judiciary will respond to concerns about fairness in his trial. What are your thoughts on Nnamdi Kanu's trial transfer? Do you think a trial in the southeast would ensure greater fairness? Drop your comment below and stay tuned to Naija Anchor News for more news updates.